Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Top 13 Ways to Foster Emotional Intelligence in Your Child. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotions and those of others. Why is emotional intelligence important for kids? 1. It helps children become more aware of their emotions and understand why they feel a certain way, which is crucial for personal development. 2. It enables children to regulate their actions, helping them control impulsive behavior and make thoughtful decisions even in challenging situations. 3. It fosters empathy, allowing children to understand and connect with others' emotions, thus improving their social skills and relationships. How can we help our children develop emotional intelligence? 1. Learn to be calm. Teach your child to remain calm in moments of anger or frustration by encouraging him or her to take deep breaths and count to 10 before reacting. 2. Encourage good performance. Praise your child for their efforts and achievements, no matter how small. This will boost their self-esteem and encourage positive behavior. 3. Teach compromise. Teach your child the importance of compromise and negotiation in resolving conflicts. Encourage them to find win-win solutions that consider the needs of others. 4. Identify their motivation. Help your child identify their goals and motivations. Encourage them to pursue activities that interest them and provide support and encouragement. 5. Teach positive affirmations. Teach your child to use positive self-talk to boost their self-confidence and motivation. Encourage them to repeat affirmations such as "I can do it" or "I am brave and strong." 6. Focus on problem solving. Encourage your child to approach problems with a problem-solving mindset. Teach them to break down problems into smaller, manageable parts and brainstorm possible solutions. 7. Channel their emotions. Help your child find healthy ways to express emotions through art, music, or physical activities. Encourage them to find outlets that allow them to release their feelings constructively. 8. Try calming techniques. Teach your child calming techniques, such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or progressive muscle relaxation, to help them manage stress and anxiety. 9. Manage stress. Please help your child become aware of stress and teach them coping mechanisms to manage stress effectively. Encourage them to seek support from family and friends when needed. 10. Understand others' emotions. Teach your child to recognize and empathize with others' emotions. Encourage them to listen actively and support friends and family members in need. 11. Open communication. Create an environment of open communication where your child feels comfortable talking about their feelings. Be a supportive listener and validate their emotions. 12. Labeling emotions. Help your child label their emotions by using simple and descriptive words. This will help them understand and manage their feelings more effectively. 13. Acceptance your kid for who they are. Accept your child for who they are, including their strengths and weaknesses. Show them unconditional love and support, and help them feel secure. Try these tips to make your little one emotionally intelligent and see them grow into kind people.